Hi guys, my name is John DeMello.
This is your girl, Miss Forsyth.
For me, could fake it out.
Well, how the fireman miss?
I'm them Dempsey, and this is your boy Willie once again.
This is Kwakesi.
Keep watching Ideas GH
This is Ideas GH TV.
I say Ideas GA TV.
I represent you for Ideas, is it?
Keep on watching Ideas TV.
Ideas TV.
The best and the best and the best. You know, if you come attack crowd, Ghana, watch out.
Ideas TV, we're too sure.
Record will be so move and pimple a piano center.
Keep it locked, Matt Love.
You are full of ideas, you are full of creativity.
And we're rocking live on Ideas GH TV. Abadam.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumaiza idun where I am Poboa. And Poboa sort here desert, loafers, slippers nade. Say Pemu works nada, Ebo Emmanuel into blankets Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and we put that here. Boom, a Pemu location so I'm a Greek. My number is 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Hello, good evening, and welcome to Ideas GH TV. And that's also once again. Today is the 28th of March, 2020, in the year of our Lord. Yes, and it's Saturday, and we are bringing you Showbiz bars. And that's also better from. In there pressure kakraba chromosome. Now so no, we still have to keep you entertained and send a pressure, no attention, no. Fear and panic now so oboko form now sure and they're not the best show because we've got lots of issues for you. I know that Tuesday and Thursday you guys really enjoyed the show now, and that's also it's going to be the same thing if not better cry because your magic George or had there is some nipa de bia okano ho asem okaka no ho asem no. And then Nipano, I don't know how a dream kakra. I don't know if that's the right way to pronounce it, but yes. Into Nankazoti and all this. So I don't know how he's going to go about this particular one. Because here in I know how a magic George would say when it comes to this particular person. As you see, news in him. Well, you are watching us live on Facebook at IdeaGA TV. You can also get interactive with us on our various social media platforms at IdeaGA TV, on Instagram, Twitter, and also on YouTube. YouTube one a search IdeaGA TV. Now red now click on it so that you subscribe to it. Oh no, notifications. BBBI be about to be a Mosabeka. Naturally also so ashe. Now let's get to Yeni news. Yeni news need also. Well, last year we were here and then yet to the Becca Baba. All of a sudden we don't know. Etia and Becca is coming to get married. The wedding pictures are by traditional marriage and then the white wedding. Nina and once and some more being nature. Nagana for today. Hey, Sir Becca brother no share no just for 3 months spill. We share for 3 months pay. I know you know where no Becca said no. So Becca waba out or Becca didn't know. He's known her husband for almost a decade. Yes, 10 good years. We're going to cry, and he had already proposed a year before Krampa and Sana. Then we no waba baba and Tawana and I'm now working there was Oshia Dr. Sunny Daniel just for 3 months pay now only the that's what Becca is saying. Now let's move on to our next one, and also Raskuku. Yes, Raskuku better than I Rasta take Rasta now but J auto reggae na dancer na the ninja on the waba out. We know of cannabis as what's there. It's going to be used for health and industrial purposes. On your 20th of March, now we'll pass the bill no into law. Into no on your day, better I'm working to catch a get on better now for on the police on a 9 and we don't know anything about it. This what's the oil for? Medicinal purposes, enjoy. And our medical purposes and industry, industry purposes. Now, men come koche men di kwa kesi na echi some ma aka ya atena ha ya aka na masemi de men di kwa kesi na echi na koche na one chill na abrabo me obasa basa e wa ha de. Now what Raskuku is saying there, he is praying that Ghanaians will not take advantage of this new cannabis law. Now yeah, we know that he's been advocating for it there, for its legalization, and they able to use because over there, you bring economic benefits will be now health benefits will the usage of cannabis, he's been advocating for it. This year what pass a bill into law and they knew but on what's in the fear there, Ghanaian youth, you know, see a din my penny chere what can they enjoy and say also I know that's his fear that we are going to abuse in it that are they now better to that they now we are abusing men come home I men come home now Mary some of the excerpts of what he said, and I quote, I say, looking at the numerous benefits to this, this will bring us. I just pray that Ghanaians will not take advantage and smoke because you will be arrested if you are caught. Brother, sister, so what you are? Oh, who dare you smoke or bet you? Men because when legalizing for smoking and also for public use, or for some special usage, Now he went on to say that some of us have been advocating for this legalization for a very long time, not for people to smoke, but because of the benefits it will bring to the nation. Smoking is just 5%, but the job creation this will bring is very good. Now, Nina, okay, na mabon to farm on, or see they're smoking no, on yet, but then there are other ways you're able to use it. Oya cannabis na onto on my youth no so no abuse no. Now this week in Ayaka Obinim and Kennedy Japan one and bebre, it's been going on and on and on near but na hani na video be about I was Bishop Angel. There's a video ya on na girls we are dampado na girl koso da ho na koso jina ho na mojina ho na kita pay phone na wire Snapchat video also say obi nem ne side checks sa e share video you know obi nem about out also then no onim ho onya ne side check oya ne ba na ne ba o friend Grace obi nem he had the child out of wedlock oya ne ba bia I there make it illegitimate, but the more money be them never, but also I never. But then I want us to watch the video. May I some analysis be about this particular video and what Obinim said after its release? Na yeba discuss was studio hadn't see. Yeah, share video now. Yes, say these are the supposed side checks of Reverend Bishop Obinim.
So you the fear to fall in love, but I go fight till the day I go call you okay, men come me, baby, it's sweetie, enjoy it, men come me, lady, oh my baby, you're a queen, compliment me as a king, get the boy, so baby,
So there you have it. The video of Bishop Daniel Angel Obinim. I was the girls, and the side chicks on why ma. Oh, no. Na Obinim ba just it on yeah. Na the movie the video no one say miss analysis be a main. Mother, me consenya me ya me shishe nyamema mama kwa kunya analysis na obi ne wasi the video no why actually but video na sha on 9th February 2020 9th February 2020 no your video no I mean me use Snapchat pa Snapchat on the selfie Snapchat the on selfie on Snapchat na sometimes so people to my video on Snapchat and with some music at the background, but it will get to a time where the person can swap it. Like between was sanyum no between the I know for to do on the video. Now I'm on a different sound. Well, this particular song, I can promise Nenyum. So what's in your ninja? I can promise Nenyum releasing in 2019, somewhere around June. And as the video, you guys took it like 2-3 years ago, and actually, your name other than me, Pedem there. Is it that when you vision, no, that can promise be released in Yomni in 2019 into no mentasi? Ebi obinim. Suddenly, if you know you can't defend yourself very well, why should you come out and talk? I fans so I mean obi nation. Me number 1 fan. It's about never the miss me. You fans now, you how are able to defend in public. A bit of the magic George or like a wasem day, I'm to defend because one casano I de a dream man near yet then. Into the yes, Bishop will be no out do ye trado. I was sister more back be I because into proper evidence be a friend defender. Now another story me sounds on social media all that time coronavirus over Ghana had no now coffee bebre what this Lebanese Ghanaian based Lebanese DJ or Lebanese but Ghana had no or funny DJ Sky. I'm sure that most of you have heard of him. Yet there was coronavirus but also look now konukom or look konukom back. And as you say no, and yet them on kadam, on tina baby and kadam. Now even though any colleagues or no one had no, the team ni bino, and coffee ni be pedal walk. But on a one part, also Ghana had in a wild buano, why be wow so no more, watching a wow two over Ghana had in so yada or better and walk in this difficult times. Now to our last story. Me nam social media da mete and the justice or kabibi dama na me say na yan papa and the justice so aba sam na o kan dey artist bi and bibi ana say the interview bi na wan koya na bibi dama also there he's sick and tired of Apostle Amakwata. He's sick and tired of that man. Adan ya Apostle Amakwata about to be kade oye nation's prophet o prophet also bempa. Also, when you're vision, there's a prophet to a monpaya. Oh, yeah, on so be free as I see the young couple betting on him. We don't know the reason behind it, but also that's our monpaya. I'm a reverend also been possible about out. I bet that yes, also when you're then vision, you know, and on and the prayer team now that they are praying to God. Sinabe, I mean, himself, but also saying coupon agenda and young couple the angel. To them, no, calling now, and the justice said no. Why Brown? Yet to come her day. Yet to come her coronavirus all about who and can't change the coronavirus, but ye day and a day. Obi but only the chile Ghana soften the chile one today. Oh, prominent person be the oh nine and obowu and a doom and a day and some who the man who name and coffin to them now and the justice so I come a pedam read the some now and I call say as for this he saw it too. He has seen it, but Apostle Amakwata couldn't see coronavirus coming. He hasn't told us when it will end, but telling us when someone's life will end. I'm sick and tired of these people always making such allegations. I don't know why I know. Also, that was so that they be no casa and they even accident and no back kidnap coronavirus about the way who anka. Our who and kind to one who time a corona over qua. This year lockdown is part of the our nation. Young fancy had then turn on these are some of the trending issues all called and then also latest one cry cheddar when the share cry this year Ghana for when the share onion one done. And that time out yesterday or born horse and semi and the ever back and once and what had they create. Magic George name Jim day. But sister, I go to her there. Oh, he's sorry for your loss. Hashtag COVID 2019. No, be a retweet. I don't know why I add the comment there. COVID 2019 then. It's in them remi a go hey. Into our quarantine go so our quarantine. Ghana for go Twitter 1 hour yo. Too much now where can a mass sister fine girl like that. I can a mass channel. Nanipakuna because I okay, so you don't know that COVID-19 no. So minimum so the 19 or your registration card number will say or yabedo. It's 2019. This is how what trouble. Oh, when the shade the wabre pa. Now back to Obuani issue. No, we know the yard today Obuani papa while away free and answer. No one sense baby. We know that he knew the father was positive. What tested positive for coronavirus, but then still I don't know kwema. We expose the health professionals and kofu. One wants them p na de. In some I don't know but. Or they can, or they can because in some nibu or honoma and shut down how on Sisido, meaning say be a magic, maybe at this time around, so basically down magic. What's that?
Sika.
Well, that cause lockdown haircut.
Bibi I lockdown, say Bibi I lockdown.
Lockdown.
I'm to for mums.
But what's in a lockdown haircut?
No, on your lockdown haircut.
On your lockdown haircut.
Yeah. Official fa.
Hey.
Official say coronavirus oko.
God oko.
What lock you reaction baby anko baby amba.
Baby amba stand.
Charlie. Are you serious oh? Are you serious?
What's your mom pay?
Papa be in if me bumper be in. Oh, you boss be in if me bumper. You have to pray. And poor you know slow. Italy in there was surpass China.
Oh yeah.
On that rate now one BBR.
And that one yeah about more than 900.
It's crazy.
In a day.
It's crazy.
Oh, it's serious. It's serious. But magic cancer never count one issue. There is this thing this post on Facebook Shatawale Oposti also there pandemic with MTN, Vodafone, Airtel, Tigo, etc. You guys for reduce your data charges for Ghanaians to be able to patronize my show on the 4th April. If no be so, I go make all my fans stream plus the one with the cheapest offer pay. I talk my own, thank you.
Why? Is it Shatawale or Yankopana?
No, he's very influential.
Oh, you're very influential on them. On the fans and them small patch and them level no patch.
That's SM4 also.
No, I'm going to find SM4 or stream like or stream. Wait.
Ni show a faith concert no be on 4th no. Obe live. So uncle for
Sika my engineer on Putina.
But don't you think that your telcos no they have to reduce
Oh, data they said data Nancy the data no buy den. Nancy tama nkan kampo tama waka the eta na wato no.
Tax no.
Ehu de wato no. Sisi wato back door.
Oh, this is I want to because yesterday me loaded 5 cedis.
Oh, make no. What's back door? O me hu. But first na ehu de eto 10 cedi.
No, I send no message in park ho. The wato.
What eto 10 cedi automatic no 10 cedi we be fido. People na man for complain but sisi what's okay, go complain there want to back door and I mean it's not helping because first na nka data moto no data to 1 gig no. This is 1 gig or is it 250 megabytes?
Also so on last for long.
For long. Nti data ne dey data about issues about data ne dey Africa. I can continue about Africa. Africa you have issue internet issue there. Africa internet I don't know about other countries but in Africa internet unstable and data no so no way then. Well tell about forward na so no operate one to data no from boni show no nyaniska. Charlie.
Na so ye ka what understand you.
No what no. Obi nim.
Wa gasa
say asam ba no so try to explain no one. Then he's I'm nyama ya west.
E ka fans no one.
No, I mean I like those times not like him. Time on Pambo them competition no.
Them time
those times. He ba 30 anything about her na. For them penasem. But minim there. Now I have one kind of feeling that he's real.
Okay.
Unlike
Pambo. But since you are so you realize they're Pambo.
So Pambo doesn't do anything. The only time I TV no be concert. Okay, we are pass through and go fast.
I say so mom so trend
we preach then go fast through. So go fire and there stress reliever.
Yeah.
When enjoy we go to Pambo preaching. Nti si no radio na TV no aja bodo na na pastor boy kono.
Yeah.
They be a concert in Kotina. Nti but obini mura ahwaman me feel there I don't know the minimum one advising the only can Japan one year no I'm telling you the truth we good in mercy and And so when take time, this will be this is going to be the end of him.
Are you sure? Because we've
yeah,
had so many.
No, but this is serious. You take time, what can we take as something serious? What could jail?
Is it the fraud?
Money laundering.
Fraud, yeah.
Them to issue. Give a threat to police. Put there. Me bua police no be intimate. Those them nyama dey. If say if the IGP na CID boss there, intelligence about the crime officers and I don't know if they are taking this issue serious. When you call court, nankasa no me sure no lawyers in na kasa. There you should come and apologize. I get it.
I'm paying for baby. So
I'm paying for baby.
It's not there. Difference now. I go Facebook. How go insult you know. Go and delete the post. I'm paying for you in kasa ya.
Me find no na. Hwe, ebe hwe obi nim na ni comments po ni all video pa. No comment I read the comments people are insulting him. Nyamini pa you have to set a good example. You don't go on because Nyamini Pante, you don't go on radio because you have TV station. You go and sit on it and excuse me, because Assembly and Leka. Assembly on finance be am be an Canada. Assembly be and Yancy be an you go and sit Nyamini Pante. Remember my boys are bull. I remember I say Pamela news should be able to defend it out of Pamela.
Also, Pamela, Pamela,
that guy should stop lying.
No, Pamela said, I am a landlord.
Me share that time me the man continue channel na Pamela call be nim no prophesizing the Pamela you be disappointment tab no the pa oh I know the tenant or they not in there son and lady so until on obo use na adwena man there or the tenant forget about that game but na game another question forget about them kofuro you see I suffer one I suffer. You don't do certain things.
But they be all kind of why
today BCA your friend's boyfriend is untouchable. The same thing be inside your friend's girlfriend is untouchable.
Hey, boy code girl code.
You know, them not you boy that them or a principle on the whole.
So what I do say
that's for me that's how I see them move react now. Inti our so far certain things boy you don't involve yourself in. Man, but share. I watch Obi no about but the guy looks smart. One person, I get me. The same thing. We feel that I don't know anybody could be. Oh yeah, I start to be. Not so I boarding no say. And then your bloggers create no for them issues or the so blogger no one edit the voice and for be answer. Now a man can the phone to go voice no. Now one kind of obinum says I suffer be say suffer be obinum say so COVID-19 a draw or na coronavirus a draw or na to miss what to say about na academic swing and come back. Blogger now I the mad no God will punish that blogger because they create confusion between being that asama can akwana can no be about today I say miss mo coronavirus a draw you video never chirem na me sure it's simple then they I didn't page her.
I do that Canada so you overreacted.
I think so. Unless Kennedy catch him there. Oh, but I'm unless I catch him not to born to her.
Yeah, that's how it feels.
No, I'm there if you say I born to her. So nimna that no baba no. Asem bi jabo so asem bi si Ghana ade. And we so. And I think obinim you lose the credibility to me.
Credibility there. It's been questionable since.
But since you put it on your cry, since I'm able to why the soft body will come out, they lose some credibility. Mbonko bonisma, mko boni dina assembly will come out.
Soft body will
no, a cracker before I don't buff. So mboni dina, so lose some credibility. They are young people they are over high people who come out. They are over high one who be brave. Minda muba ngofuni ba have issues here bank mabo ngofi bebre o ko ma they are high people they are thieves underground you fool underground but any other people see that they are righteous oh they are this but underground they are doing big deals criminal deals tell me say there how ko ma obi nim issue ya this guy crazy Kennedy Fidelity Bank where they were money laundering nti any iroko why then intelligent unit awu kuma hade ya why abade na wayo police fu abade na waye nti opoto ka chem de se obi nim ne de na wabaye yenim kwofo waye dam nyama ni buwa yenim kwofo bi waye dam nyama but the police and other intelligent they know But so being commoda. No, chida what they want we give man na abin otu akọ I don't know want to know. Abin tin you are there to fight crime. But even people are stealing money, you can't question them.
Your magic oye.
So I think remember institution wo krom hade institutions wo hade they have to work. When can you put on about TV no aka there minimum so we say aka and some people take the matter
1,000.
Can the Japan no what this one national investigation for you and you want to see ID boss and then one head of national security unofficial I mean they become the politicians so I'm trust one they they have an agenda.
Yeah,
Kobe is talking against what can it Akufado, the Biano is talking against Akufado. That's the reason why it's the exposing. Time my mama wadona also be pade Biano Shana Banadi, only the Huda Madden. Oh, let's be sincere in this country.
okay.
Not because you have money you can always attack people. No, let's be sincere in this country. But not find mama Okromadi. Let's be sincere. And then you get them pay for no Okroma.
Yeah, Maddie, so enough of Asofo and Asam. I think that today will be the last time you ever could be nasty because I just say Obinim Wapim. That is it. We are not talking about Obinim Canadian Japan matter again. Now, me pedi here this discussion for some few minutes now. Yeah, sorry, you made it. Maddie, can we hold this post? I think it's or your upcoming artist or your singer. Yeah, but see, I think also friend Kwenayoko also Kennedy. Mobile Kennedy, Aka Kennedy, nice amount. Bisakede, high life musician. Bisakede also are charging $13,500 for a feature. Now feature no I don't know who release also ne title yet. Side ho. I think they also we really watch a video crying to up there. Whatever. Now me when na me call Google me call search in $13,500 in Ghana cedis. No, also me am shame. I don't know if into because of that into man me doubt take a cry. Me doubt some my girl ne can cry because I don't know how they were able to raise such an amount of money and send a promotion scaba and send a video. Well, me searching no 77,692 cedis. Not coincidence so 77,000 cedis. Magic, do you think it's outrageous? Because they be a mainstream artists and they should help the upcoming artists. They should one born. That's a African young girl or whatever. Even females now that are no company. There are some of them are struggling, which we all know of. They are struggling in the industry because it's male dominated. Now, Obireba Apa. The first day, a charge in the Cassidy.
If so true, I think it's quite expensive. The boy and now then again, upcoming artists, where did you get that money from?
Also management.
It is if you're able to pay Bisakede $13,000, $13,500.
Yeah, $13,500.
And then since you have money, imagine they have money. That's the reason why Bisa boy and want to.
Final decision. Now let me read what he said. Also, according to her, also when my management, West Jam Entertainment, the management, and my friend approached Bisakede for the feature, he audited me to test my voice and singing prowess before accepting to work on the project we wanted him on. Now she went on to say that during our second meeting with him, he mentioned that though I am good, he demanded a whooping amount, which was something not expected from the award-winning high life artist, since we all thought that he's supporting upcoming artists. Until later on, Kwampa and Sana, already bigger than 13,500. Into on negotiations or OCC woman.
Let's say if it's all hobbies about hobbies of Kedea. I think I know the side of the story, but once I work there, young fan and they have that kind of money. You have paid that kind of money for featuring. A video. All the promo CD, all the promo necessary to DJ Scout and then you are running away. DJ not. Oh yeah, don't mess with. DJ not buy final work. No, I'm telling you. DJ not buy a final work. You have to pay him to do the final work. You don't do it because upon scale to your video, I say DJ, one more now. The song is useless.
but we have online platforms.
So, did you better radio station on Bonnie now? When you know, promoting you know useless. What's be I know? For how long? Never you able to Facebook.
DJs no man.
Sorry, about to yeah, of course. For how long? Now say because of late they can't pay TV television for video. We hadn't. 1 month. What about 8,000, 5,000. Maybe I got 5,000. Let me DJs bear 20. They'll play the song for you. No, I hate. Any of them and see the open amount. Bisakede waji. $13,500. As I 75 fine.
77,600.
That's what's it done?
Yeah.
Otum see 2 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms. Talk about some kitchen. Come on. Esra.
2 bedrooms.
Yeah, also 2 bedrooms.
Okay. I building now go to
also 2 bedrooms. Also, about to land 5,000. The Kano, it is cement and here block. They see.
Oh,
I'm telling you the truth. Say I want to wear a project. Say a project. I want some better. Okay. What's done more here? What is it? 2 bedrooms, 3 bathroom, kitchen, pepper. Rooms 14 by 14.
But I mean, I think it's outrageous. It's too much.
It's too much
for an upcoming
artist to pay such amount.
Even if the magic, even if the Nipa Chrono always scanning past still.
But they want to feature Mr. Kede and he has featured you guys here. Until you are fit, you are just
going to Mr. Kede and I say, Mr. Kede and I
will see how they hundem, but to be hundem. I Sako the Black Album, the Love Album, the Ordo.
Yeah.
I don't go for feature. And simple send us the first one in a crash. Say who online.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, interview. So first be say in a crash. Tawo cushion on Canada and for Canada and Netherlands and Bisa show him a lot of love that identity. Bisa one kind of man be on your could put away now. On put it. Nti Bisa Kede be out on you be about.
What for you be no being an for day. Safa. But upcoming artists know whatever. If this is what they are going through, I think that most of them are also going through the same.
If say our management, if you can put $13,000, $13,500 for featuring, actually, the artist only problem.
But people are spending, but then the end to one and
there. If say our artist, another artist is between the management between such amount, this artist only problem. Nobody.
Don't worry about it.
No, don't worry, crowd. Don't worry. If say put aba how sika. Take it down is gakaba.
That's 77,600.
Na message the our artist, the management to tell them come be Kede. Next time you am na hater.
No, but then how can other artists once win such management? Or how can they also come out?
Who cares? Nobody cares.
Should I who's can they be getting to the
nobody cares. Who cares? What's big no binwa? And I'm telling you DJ binwa. Imagine more. How to make money?
I want DJs upcoming artists no wonder
who cares?
No, I don't wonder because you have to help them to come out.
Every promo should come with a budget. Simple. If you don't have money, don't enter into music. I'm telling you the truth. Because if you have money, you can push your art forward. Able to push that to standard BAP. So if you don't have money, you don't enter into music. Remember the step here.
Yo, banana magic I can't know. Upcoming artists now, I was sending a message. You don't open over ideas, TV. I don't know. Magic, customer magic, you can know. It's no often to one look to dream. Aye, so all magic, Hana. Eko magic on any budget is on hide your face. And that magic.
Mr. Every promo should come with
magic down a perica.
Any budget, baby.
Okay, so our final story for this is quite an unfortunate news, like or a very unfortunate day. The whole of this week, Showbiz bars have been discussing a war. I think we started on Tuesday. Tuesday, I can ask them. Thursday, I can ask them. And also, I can ask them. But we didn't know then. So you better know as some I can obey. I was some, yeah. I was some about Obo. He's lost his father, his dad, his biological dad. Or he ended that. Accra Rich Hospital. Now, somehow I'll be bahuno. Odos bebre. And then mo wana mo do trend or Twitter. Say no boy say obo why then and ask then so kwesi what aka kanasem. And na di blacka. Mo ko sha ko fully chana the ped den. Onya sam kakaba kwa. I was say obi ewu onim hu bi nti me ko hwe no me ko share story ni ye me wa me ko ya me investigations ko konsa kakra ana mu hu de sa nipa ko ayete the way we a rich hospital of coronavirus no some of your born papa yes that's the story oya ho sem bebre nko futura the pede he knew that his dad was positive. But still now, we're exposed to many health professionals and also patients or hospital. I know no ankasa obo so na ankasa wes ewa. And that a call radio station be ko interview. CCR no. Oye Asempa FM what the press release about outer. What's the Ecosystem team no. That was the show now. Obo called no team no. They are what I call self-quarantine one, self-isolation, and that's the self-quarantine. Why on me because this is our one this is what's other way of fumigation was studio hall. Or yes, studio hall contain the whole building, multimedia building in the other way of fumigation room. And now our team now no at that time or premises one in our or the quarantine one day. I'm like a personnel, so we don't know what's going on. Magic story, Nate.
Multimedia. Yeah. What test of boy negative and a positive?
Well, according to Obo, he tested
negative,
and it was negative. But then we all know how coronavirus is because ne papa nimpa magic wait ne papa nimpa way of coronavirus no. Also, according to Obo,
testing also coronavirus no kuna.
Also, there injure. Also the obo, also ne papa. When he started showing symptoms, either corona, either baby dam no, okay no. They tested for malaria was positive, so he started malaria treatment. In one, I think Jaso in somewhere in the Ashanti region. It's no, the no good or cordonana no. We realize it there treatments ning ejuma. No case no so no.
iOS, yeah. But for no does
too much English. Yeah, it's they suggested there on other way test for what test for coronavirus. What testing? I was the results in the yesterday. Yes, yesterday. But then the case worse. According to our boss, results
yesterday results about.
Yes.
Negative and
positive.
Positive, fine.
Yeah, so this year it's stated there he died of coronavirus. This year there death rate now cause actually new one your born papa.
It's make a fine. This year or test of boy also test of boy negative. Papa no testing or positive. Baba testing about a positive. You ever know automatic coronavirus no papa no.
Yeah.
This year or they were quarantine or
of course.
I was also testing you.
Yeah.
Papa baby no war no. Ekwa bia. Jaso no. Those around him now they have to bring them all to Accra.
Yeah, and according to some sources, this no watch around there, Boga town, it's no coffee baby aba chia.
And you ever know I do quite in the one. Say you might have some and if say if your own immune system here no way didn't say like of what one na train your teacher.
Yeah.
Only the most dangerous
maybe you can fight it. Your immune system can fight it, but someone else.
No, but still a better. And on my attitude, those who get in contact with the man will just they have to search for those people, and it is dangerous. Spread another spread those.
Yeah.
And it is serious. Are you getting me? Inti pe obo in some of Baba can Miridi am metasing in there. He's trying to say there, Papa malaria no kun.
No, but then now the test is out that what test positive for coronavirus. Coronavirus.
And you can't fault obo to say there. Because no matter any papa no. When my papa no malaria. Malaria say you no quite know what testing on malaria no. Because I don't know do but I told me do so you I didn't hear worse.
But you know,
I didn't hear why it's okay. Them the entry for no courage hospital na enko say bia. Ye be bia. Mama can ask her. Ye be bia. You I say results by and results no by neither. No, we only be so no we nti. Actually when you coronavirus. Nti sisi ya ended. I think abo one smart and who dey mentum because of assembling to no station wa. Another na kasa aka na assembly. No
kaka ne sensem but Oko station one he went to say that he's lost a loved one to coronavirus. You know, it's no why the nankasa statement or that out, you know, and then somehow work cano. It doesn't add up. And he was saying that time and Kofuka there.
Then a boy is insensitive here. One of the pay where they go and sit on radio and go and discuss issues.
That is what he said, but then you mean here to the papa no. That is what we are also thinking, because when he went there, no, because of what he said that he has lost loved one to COVID-19. And what time and then you say but there such incident has happened at Ridge Hospital. It I think some hours later in the evening, no, and I yet say this is what happened. Now, when Kofu make allegations there, Obo has exposed health officials to the virus, no. And about sounds like in you know, so the time ambulance service no. He told them the papa no were testing for COVID-19 and they are waiting for results.
What Rich?
Yes, in Accra.
Time
now let me read this portion. Let me read this portion. Also there, on Thursday night, he had extreme difficulty with breathing. So we called the ambulance service and informed them of his condition. We told them the patient has tested for COVID-19 and awaiting his results. So they should come along with appropriate apparel. Now, the ambulance team took him to Ridge Hospital around 11 p.m. on Thursday, March 26th. We informed the health team at Ridge of his condition and also informed them he had earlier taken a test for COVID-19 and awaiting results. Late this afternoon, the doctors informed us that he's likely to be a confirmed case, and as such, we should take steps to do contact tracing. This is before results in Reba. But time at 11 p.m. now, ambulance bay, what no call Ridge Hono. And the doctor said, "She no was there, and sure, no you're positive. Even though not test the number out, until no one started the wire contact tracing. Now say one and calling Kawai so later or born on
simple. Until America there, about time so no continue TV or a radio station.
That was earlier in the day, during the day. And that time, no so none of Papa hospital home because according to him, it was Thursday 11 p.m. Now what didn't Papa call? Ridge ambulance be find papa courage
in some way doesn't add up. Still it doesn't add up because some there or one papa either a week before or corridor so who before no corridor that it is being insensitive. Two say onim dey papa no no corridor station or corridor interview there into the same about one year there. I don't get it because papa would my sure my better idea TVGH I miss me your program.
Yeah, even if none papa mpong we at that time let's assume you've been in contact with someone who is showing symptoms so
no one so and if you are afraid about the immune system no you didn't no if you afraid immune system no you didn't if if I get contact with somebody with coronavirus no I don't mean feeling jam. Are you getting me?
Now, this year, in some no, why a whole big issue? Because this year, no, or boy is saying that okay, ambulance service there, day, so they should protect themselves. But one ambulance service, no, so according to one report to be a man who on social media, so also was there, or board didn't tell them that. The papa were testing for coronavirus and they are waiting for results.
I for this part, I believe the ambulance for them. Oh yeah. Because as you can believe ambulance for no sisi message ya banwa ye newa obiara careful nti so your true parents or book catch ambulance for there papa onya bi anka the people be careful one can chira won nti na nkofo no be but onim do normal sick patient awa be for nako And him pank ambulance for no come for papa no.
Oh, but that's what they are doing. They are there for.
So obo catch one. Him come for no.
Call for. That's what they are doing. That's the number. What friend number now? Ambulance service number now. If you show symptoms of coronavirus or baba phone. So
I'm feeling I normal ambulance. I call for papa. Until for me obo I'm the ambulance for the one country one. I'm telling you. And so catch ambulance for an ambulance to report.
So they believe ambulance.
One country one.
Why do I feel that there is something behind?
One country one. That's my system. One country one.
Magic, we know the reason why you are siding.
No. I know the reason why. Tell me. How come there? About quoting radio today, you have lost someone. Is related to coronavirus. And later you bring and go back to the part of what at all pay you. Nature one quoting TV radio today program. Why is it sensitive?
He's insensitive.
Yeah. Sika.
Sika
campaign. Sika forget campaign. Campaign no important so open over.
Oh, but there were
no.
Hospital
under maybe it's a question. Who are critical?
Oh, but we are all different.
Oh no, yeah, you are no. Boy is insensitive. They are who are or you had them pay. Then as a campaign into a job part to na better TV do a campaign because I put a winning MP.
MP na.
MP
na okedi na magic.
MP
na okedi na magic.
There's no way. Atira corona be no akacha nana mama my campaign still named your campaign. The same thing. Nti be a question there. We see go fire them pada. E we just about time akara program.
Another bed.
Yes. So
but sometimes
you are insensitive.
You have to be professional.
Professional. Sikapa. Let's be serious here.
It's imagine say if you had to lose your loved one, actually, you just stay in the house.
I'm not staying in the house, but at least there's no way you can perform better. I'm telling you.
That's why you have to be professional.
No, forget about professional. If you lost it, then can only inspire no amu. Open one boy pain, crampo. Over getting to a man, no preachy.
It was morning.
This morning is mom. What you know you but getting to a month. 4 weeks no preachy. Oh, come on. Let's be serious in this country.
But this issue, just as we said, loopholes be brave.
Loopholes be brave.
Yeah, because if you read Obo's press release, one other report to be going around there.
So my friend, mtimu that about to mu brafupi me can still.
Yeah, let's tell you
me can still me hu ni tiri me hu ni nan so obone do na about to no me de chapel rage for so hospital whatever basa me can man.
Why do obia the story is
different.
Ready for one story, no see a whole
different story altogether.
A whole different story.
My confused. Me my brother man because story me kana. Me
Corona da wadawa.
Boss, see guy me say yabana mo my show ne one.
It's serious.
It's crazy. I'm for who abamafo. But still even nti wala want to do circle you.
Ebi no monte.
One for the one bobo.
And the number
for the whole group.
And I'm missing back at the my parents are all out there. Parents out there. One show on them Magic, can you believe that? Me site one.
What's mama about for Montana? Mama traffic still.
You guys should take care of the kids. Like, I mean, I feel maybe I me site one. Me site one or yeah. What's the first? No, why quarry wo.
Okay.
Into no why quarry ni we no. One fa mbobe ngum when silly holes into no. Wama insu de da ho. Into me site one insu wo ho bebre. Me kwa mu transfer by 3 kwan sana.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Now, e ho no nkofo bebre ni ho. E ho are very quiet because we are I self isolation crowd that. Now, Arabi, I think it happened yesterday. Insu kono ade da ho no mo bi no. I want to know what town, main town him no. Waba going I think 4, 6, 9 between 4 to I think 15 years. They came there. I know Begware. A chihuahua ya won hookon.
Tension afano.
In Safano. Now they tried. I think it happened yesterday afternoon around 2. They tried that. Went to Wenya fan.
One sumo.
A
deep hole.
Oh, a deep pa because of the one ya dotin. Etasa. Uncle Yen so Chebia, but in sooner the ho or a stagnant.
Still.
What's a machina, what's obey a man maybe.
No floaty.
Obey a man crown, make libations, na dance sana. I found a way to weigh in. A rabbi, yeah, weighing, and I think I stepped out of the house. So parents out there, ebe, one shame for me. It's what's the more on school? No, now what's the more on school? What's the first one? What's the show?
Echoes from number 9. Zongo Baka.
Na me fa deep dia bene kom ho. Mo foma na ho bebre. It's like they don't even know what is going on. I don't know. Our local authorities should do something about this because you're serious. You're serious. This year I shut down lots of things.
Yes, you come Kakampo. Minti the ambulance.
Local vans.
Minister of Information van Biampo or COVID-19 and coronavirus abo ngofungofunye fio ngofunye deyo ngofurunsa minti atibia.
Oh. Onye. Our local authorities should step in. Because why there? I am lockdown. I don't know. It's a lockdown. It being kind into
360. Man, why am I come to show? The man be batinado. What's why one outfit? Simon. You will go down and lock down people. I wonder what they're doing.
We are not seeing anything.
We
are not seeing anything. Now, what's the GPRT for? We saw a press release. What's there? This year taxis instead of 4, no, or 3.
They will challenge.
Seats now, the rates now.
No, that was just 1 to 4.
Who is making sure of all these things?
GPRT.
Because in the car, I'm afraid.
For number 4, 3.
2 no, 2 now. What's it? 2 more for 2 now. What's 1 for 1 no? We don't know. Why the baby are working on paper?
Ended that president. Ended that me do a president no you're there. Aberdeentina ebe my speech ah. It was 11 p.m.
So time now no your problem.
No, why you there it was 11 p.m. 11 p.m. Go people are there. Go people are small ke wante.
Oh, but later I don't know what say.
Dabi, no, Sika, let's be serious. They be 8 p.m. 8:30 no abo. 7 p.m. 7:30 no abo. Ntabunti nation no bakasa. What record no come on 11 p.m. Aberdeenta. Why 11 p.m.? One can reason why 11 p.m.
You see, Government of Ghana, Ministry of Information, magic out to question am on. So, but we are solving coronavirus. We should be having a time about my answer. The more me I became. But all the same, and
I don't know. I'm meant to you. And no people want to ask one quarter.
One till everybody.
There was the baby on quarantine. We know him.
Inti say a day na sutoy anta. Inti aso e na hu de gwa ye wa afọ.
Gwa ye obu ofo ntam. Tax gwa ofo edusu go ofo sisia. Sika hwe awo let's be ya bane wa hwe. Hwe de we itile on go fulu we one.
It's I don't know.
Let's pray to God. Let's pray to God. Let's pray to God. There, one did try.
This year, what's the let's not spread fear and panic. But then it gets to a point. I had a Ghana for no. So I'm for who came here and she anymore.
I don't for who can for one she Canada.
I'm for who can share one eye there. We take things for granted. People are dying. Doctors are dying. When you go to other countries, doctors and nurses are dying.
I must have a documentary doctor and what Italy.
They are dying.
Why am I baby? I want to sing of flu, baby, and flu.
One sad story I read this, I think this week was a weekend, yeah. One nurse, I think already, she's in her 30s, yeah. Why that when you didn't be, while we're treating one arm and anchor, so where you've been to know, she committed suicide.
Sika, you're not putting your uncle.
Magic, compare can be your uncle for yate.
I won't go.
Local people now, when you be
fine, but still they are not working.
Local authorities, please take in charge. Let's see something going on. Now the mama for man and ambassa parents into authorities no one may open no jail one for man one and one chair.
Man, I see I would have for my turn the bet one. The baby about 1 year. Communities, our various communities, young one or
election time and what they want to pick up see what the public addresses to make
before guy be TV work no we crowd
be brain who is taking care of
Sikapun program na yanko
coronavirus and some odoso. Please let's take good care of ourselves. Let's adhere to the safety precautions now we lay out to us, because it's too much. It's too much. The numbers keep going up. It keeps going up. So let's practice social distancing. Let's wash our hands thoroughly with running water.
President Monday will take effect. People are tripping here. And will be one more
Yeah, for me, a number of friends there they called me and I catch on that they shouldn't come, because that's what Italy did. Obey a nationwide thing as this year. Why a complete lockdown? So let's take good care of ourselves.
Into president, any day in the forecast, some other card not starting in there and apart. And China can Monday and some for opportunities. They can drive about a crowd.
I think that was to give people time to make preparations.
Then why did you? Then I've been in came.
Because they have to. They don't know what catch you.
What can I tell you? I did China. What can I? Monday and Pomo for me, Uncle School. Then I don't call you. So, what about CCI? I can do. What I want all private cars or drive back. I want buses. No, why am I? A coffin point about traffic. The way also come. That's some cacaba.
You're coming to town. You're being a beer.
About spread automatic.
Are you serious? If you are watching us and you are outside the western region, if you are in those lockdown regions now,
I'm coming to my town. I'm coming to my town.
Move.
I'm coming to Takadi. So I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
When you die your home now, what you quiet? Coronavirus banning. You guys want to come here? No, you guys should stay there. If you stay there, you ever had a risk, you increase it. It's to just stay there. Program not happen. But then tomorrow is Sunday. Exclusive, Westside exclusive. The live and colored. We have some interesting musicians and artists we are pass through with Kojo Freestyle. So set your notifications now. Also so na Beshemoro Kodo Wahade. And today is also Sarkodie's daughter Titi. Yeah, Titi Success. Also, I don't know I don't know for pay one. Honestly, and the birthday. And also today happens to be the birthday of the National Communications Officer of the Opposition National Democratic Congress (NDC), Mr. Sami Jenfi. Yeah, one intelligent young man we have in communication space. He's very intelligent. I like. Oh, yeah, fancy. My name is Coleman. This is Showbiz Buzz. But now, you guys should take it serious. Regards coronavirus, let's take good care of ourselves. Let's stay hydrated. Let's observe social distancing. Wash your hands thoroughly with running soap with water. And clean. And stay in the house. Men pray, men catch him. Get interactive with us on social media at IDSGA on Instagram, Twitter, and also on Facebook. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Miss Woman, and also on Facebook at Sika Woman. See you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswani in Ghana. Jumaiza idun we aya mpobwa. Mpobwa so to desert, loafers, slippers na de. Say pemu works na da ebo Emmanuel yo into brackets Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ebun e pemu location so am a Greek. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Hi guys, my name is John DeMello.
This is your girl, Miss Force.
Call me Kofi that.
Well, how the fireman miss?
I'm a damn Dempsey. And
This is your boy Mule once again.
This is Kwakesi.
Keep watching I Just Do It TV.
This is IDSGH TV.
I say IDSGA TV.
I represent it for ideas, is it?
Keep on watching IDSG TV.
Ideas TV.
The best and the best and the best in if you come attack crowd Ghana. Watch out.
Ideas TV. We're too sure.
Record will be move and pimple and center.
You know, keep it locked. Mad love.
You are full of ideas. You are full of creativity.
And we're rocking live on IDSGH TV. Abadam.